find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
Yeah, Itiski TV, Itiski Chami. Hi, my name is Junior Chabokanye. Yeah, ngiphethe clever yami. Benedict Sofilakazi. Fana without to press this clock ibone kanjani kinto.
Mfethu yathi ngibulise wena chairman my chairman
Benedict So.
ngibulise wena ngibulise Stizi ngibulise Mr Nkewu bese ngibulisa lapha na Lindo Mkwena
Yeah, sure.
ngibulisa nani emakhaya cela support njalo la Disk TV zobeka njobe njalo ngijiki futhi look Junior the game started very well first half. I think it was interesting in terms of seeing Sundowns, trying to create chances. Yeah, but my worry in the whole game yonke was good. I'm looking at Williams. How many saves did he make? None. You look at the goalkeeper, Fluminense, and how many saves did he make? None. So, well, I'm not saying maybe poor attacking in terms of both teams, but I also need to compliment the defense.
Yeah.
That means Uguti, the teams were more organized, the midfield were more organized. That's why you'll find Uguti. This game was between the boxes.
Yeah, all right.
But when they get to that final third, when they need to make crucial touches, try to get a shot at goal, it was not there because of space and time was not there. Yes, Renasi did make some good runs there and there, but now sometimes they don't clear and touch. One player, Junior Nanti. I don't know what he means in Chani, but I like him. He makes good runs. He put himself in good positions. He get chances. Again, he didn't score. Matthews. He got a chance first half, 1v1 with the keeper. And I said to Gulindo, look at him. When he received the ball, he's looking at the ball. He doesn't even look at the keeper. He has have a touch, and then once he head up and look at the keeper, go to keeper go. So yena ute touch, upege pants. Even if he's still looking down. I didn't even look at the keeper. Keeper uza kuipi angle. And this is the second time in this tournament to get a chance like this, and he couldn't bear it.
Yeah, for me too, I will be honest to you. Both teams they play as if they're qualified. But they qualified with you.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
Asambi, it's number 1 and 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because both teams they never created enough clear-cut chances. Certain players at Mamle Sundowns let the team down. Shishi, that's number 1.
Yeah.
Secondly, Allende. Allende like too negative. He avail himself. He play negative football. I've got Allende.
Yeah.
But in this tournament. What they needed to know, Gucci, we need point today. I think Allende was playing in front of Mkwena, him and Mshishi.
Yes.
Mshishi also let the team down between Yen and Allende. Today, in today's game, I need to be honest today. I think the game is being a balance in terms of attack. Ribeiro, I think, work extra mile in today's game for me. Also, Reynas. It's just that Ribeiro, these guys, they plan for him. And it makes it difficult for a Sundowns to title. So also this Brazilian team, a very tactical team. I think the coach is very smart. There's Mangati Ampega, we were dealing now Renas, Ribeiro, and he makes sure with Mkwena. And then the team was shattered. And nothing special from them going forward, from the team Kulmangama Brazilian. It's only the captain, Lengwenya Lease Colombia, the right wing. Nale wing are living Pegutizo Italic came, then in a second half left. Then Pegutizo Italic came, but none other than that, they came. There was nothing special from them. Yeah.
Yeah, when there's one thing that I've seen in these both teams. They tried to limit them in terms of having space and have time with the ball. That's why Mangitini game was here in the middle between the boxes. Because when you look at Ribeiro, I think he got 1 or 2 chances when he came to those pockets. But after that, those guys, because their midfielders were not attacking. They were just sitting in front of the defense because they knew ukuthi once they will try to push kancane and Ribeiro get that pocket, they are in trouble. So both teams they were very solid. They knew ukuthi if we can create that space between midfielders and defense, then we are in trouble. So it was so solid. That's why Bruno Ribeiro at some point had to drop to be even in front of the midfielders, our influence, and it made life to be difficult. But nevertheless, when Junior Enyinto is Nabo self, you could see they were not, it's like they were buying time. Both teams were playing at it role qualify so too because bangapha bathatha ibhola bayisayile ka right. They didn't have numbers in the box. Mabona abantu bavalile, they change, they go back and go to another side. And for me, yeah, but for Sundowns, Junior, look, we expected them. Let me say, all of us we expect a lot from them based on we know siyabazi abantu abanjani, they've got good players, they can make things happen. But to be really honest, for me, I'm proud of being a South African when I watch Sundowns, the way they perform in the Club World Cup.
Yeah, and so I think Mankulman Jeng overall both teams' performance. I think both teams never created so many chances.
Yeah.
Baleki creativity, both teams, not special players. In this game, there's no one who raised his hands.
Yeah.
Nkulumanga individual brilliance, both teams. Because it can be neither Abo 1v1, taking players on, players who can dribble going forward, playing 1-2s,
Yes.
dynamic players. But I think Sundowns, now the team, they Fluminense like that. But Nami, well done to Sundowns.
Yeah.
But I think today we need to be honest, they never played the way they played against Dortmund in the first game. Not fluidity. They were not bebangana this thing good pass share ball. Like when identity, moving the ball with the purpose of scoring goals. Never created so many chances, because of Ebola. Then every time they go sideways in today's game, Sundowns they were going sideways. Even this team now, Fluminense, they were going sideways. So it came here deserve it from Fitch. If I can be honest, Sundowns get a chance. I think first 20 minutes. Matthews should have buried those chances.
Yeah.
I think it's him, if not mistaken. I can't remember Ribeiro. Yes, I think it's.
If I made a save.
Yeah, I think it's true. Yeah, no Matthews is supposed to bury those chances. Umfana, lacks of concentration for me. It was critical phase of the game. The game be to call, I think. But they didn't go map properly. So, but what really my chances of the tournament. But the Sundowns, I'm fantasy well done to Sundowns. Naming Sasha Namanj. This team, they never show nervousness in this tournament. They play according to their strength. Yes, the best need to move forward.
Yeah.
I mean, this Brazilian team, they used to play these tournaments. If you check how they play today, they always in this tournament. The coach, I think, is to understand our players work. Pound to pound into this game, they knew that we can't go with Sundowns in terms of playing. We rather be tactically disciplined, and they were very close to each other. It's very compact, make it difficult for Sundowns because if Sundowns penetrate the central. But as certain players at Sundowns, I'm disappointed now. It's very important to play off the ball in Issue today. And Allende need to play forward. So Sundowns never take shot on target, even goalkeeper, goalkeeper. How many times today?
I think you were Ribeiro.
Yeah, it tells you with the Sundowns in today's game they were quiet. So I think for me the game will deserve Gutibetro.
Yeah, you know, Junior, there's one player that I want to talk about, and for me, for Mabaya Lapakota World Cup, the suspect was Ulunga on the left side because I thought but I saw him was solid, solid, Cupido solid, they complemented each other there at the back end. Having Umukwena, yes, mistakes were there in some games where you're supposed to cover, didn't cover. But in tonight's game, I think Junior, to be really honest, well done, Thomas Andawana. You've shown the world what is that you can do. I mean, playing, winning a game, losing a game, drawing a game, playing 3 games in this tournament. First time a Southern Hemisphere team went there to Club World Cup and performed the way they did.
And win one
For
game.
me,
Go on
to
to
win,
Mataba
to
South.
win at
You win
all,
a game,
to
you
win.
win.
It says a lot. And for me, well done to Amasandawana. You've made us proud as South African. And yeah, just continue, guys. Continue. Don't look back. Continue. Wish that the coach can continue with the players that he's playing, because they've shown quality, the creativity, they can score. And Juna, mind you, find a team that has been there, Club World Cup, almost now and then, Fluminense, playing against Sundowns, and they had to defend the way they did. It tells you also about Sundowns in terms of how did they perform. And well done to Sundowns.
Yeah, also just to kuzoyirepa nje, coach I think ishawe futhi game reading.
Yeah,
Amasapo ka trophy
Sisahle,
game, I need to be
yeah.
honest.
Yeah.
Why eliminating Ribeiro?
Yeah.
I want to know why Mkwene is injured. I'm not too sure. I think Mshaile reading the game. You need to learn. I think most of the coaches that also reach Shao Kelly's game. Now today I'm not too sure where was JD Adam going. Ngoba na ungena trophy game, I need to be honest. Ngoba bekadlala similar like Alende, dropped too much, playing sideways, lack agency, and also Sales. I'm not too sure what the guy they seen from him. Anyway, njoba ngisho Masapo coach trophy game. Shalile as well akadlala nge-tournament yonke uzomfaka way kula my expectations angaka. Mlimazile kakhulu. So yeah, no, without ukuthi swese isikhathi. Idiski TV, Diski Time enamanje. On.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.